Let's we are told to use Bernoulli differential equation for this. So we can now conform this to the standard form. The standard form for Bernoulli is this. The next thing to do now is to remove this r square from here. Remove that from their place, and that will give us what we have here. Okay, we are dividing this equation by r square plus 2 over theta. That's r power 1 minus 2. That's the minus 2. That's minus 1. This one is having power 1. So 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. And that's equal to what? 1 over theta square. Then the next thing to do after dividing by the r square is to make your substitution for v as what? As r1. Whatever you have there, call it a v. Then now differentiate this v implicitly respect to what you have in your question, respect to theta. Differentiate it equal to what? Minus 1 r minus 2 the r d theta. Okay, so can we call this one equation 1? Call this one equation 1. One here is almost similar to this one, except that it doesn't have minus 1. So multiply equation 1 by minus 1, and that will give us this one. That's the is the b. That's the v d theta. That's the v d theta plus 2 over theta. This one is the equation A, which is what? Which is a v equal to what? Minus 1 over theta square. So this equation now is now linear. This is linear in v. In that case now, if it's linear in v, then you correspond this problem to the standard form for linear differential equation. This is the standard form for linear differential equation. So our equation is linear in v. So in that case now, my p of x is equal to what? 2 over theta. But it won't be p of x, it will be p of theta, because it's a function of what? It's a function of theta. You have to check your denominator here. So it's a function of theta. Integral factor as a function of theta. So that will be equal to power integral p of theta. That's 2 over theta d theta. So exponential to power ln of theta. And don't forget the 2. That's 2, and that will give you theta squared. The solution as a function of theta is going to be 1 over the integral factor. Open your brackets. Integral factor times your q of theta. This is your q of theta. Okay, that's minus 1 over q squared. Okay, so this one and this one we cancel. Then we have 1 over theta squared. Don't forget your integral sign here. This one, if you integrate the theta, that will be what? That will be theta plus what? Plus c.